In the light of the passage above, substantive most nearly means Democrats conversely have seized the upper hand in the substantive legislative debate. As the legislative debate is substantive and Democrats have seized the upper hand regarding the interaction of parties, so it cannot be esoteric, that is, known by a few people. It cannot be archaic or ancient, as the topic is discussed considering the current issues. The legislative debate is under debate, and whether it is explicit or implicit is not certain in this passage. Moreover, for the Democrats, we can see that the legislative debate cannot be draconian for them because they have obtained the domination even as they struggle to dig out of their frustrating electoral rut. So choice A, choice B, choice C, and choice D are eliminated as incorrect choices. As substantive means having a firm basis in reality and therefore important, meaningful, considerable, or having a separate and independent existence. So choice E is the correct answer with respect to the passage. The correct answer is choice E.